So starting with the buttons, there is a command button. So command buttons are almost all the buttons are for initiating some actions. Some of the buttons which will not initiate some action but maybe will perform something else, right? So these are the command buttons or labels. What we need to, apart from the previous what we have seen, that advantages, disadvantages, use and all, we have to understand the labels with respect to the command buttons. So use standard button labels when available, right? So for standard button labels means what? You can have the standard buttons because these are the standard labels. Okay, submit, cancel, help, save, open, play, stop, pause, right? All these are the standard labels. Use standard labels instead of suppose help. Uh, if you give some other label which is saying that you're not, which is saying that confused, so what, instead of help, if you have given the label as confused, so whether everybody will understand? If you are confused, you please please press this button, confuse button, to get the help. No, right? So we cannot think that every user will understand in that way. Yes, it may be something innovative, something different way of designing, but it will not give the exact impact on the users to understand, right? So help should be written as help only, than giving the name to that as a confused. So we can have, that's why they are telling, when it comes to the labels, use standard button labels when available. Always always provide a meaningful description of the actions that will be performed. Use single word label whenever possible. So it's very clear that use single word only, but sometimes you may require with one single word you cannot give the label. So sometimes you can go for a combination of maximum 2 to 3 words for the clarity. That too if necessary. Okay. Then use mixed letters with the first letter as each significant label word capitalized. So always we can see that generally the first letter will be of capital. See in the OK, we can write a OK spelling as OK, or we can write a OK spelling as OKEY, or you can write a spelling of OK as OKE. So in WhatsApp we will see, right, many variations of the same word written in the different way, right? But generally the OK, just the letter O and K is the meaning, and this should be capital. You cannot make K here small, right? The way if you wanted to say on off, so you cannot write on as O capital, N small. In that case, if you wanted to say on off, in that case on should be capital only. Both the letters should be capital. If you wanted to say off, then off should be capital because it has a standard for that. You cannot say O capital, ff small. You cannot make it. See, these things we have to understand. We may go for the shortcuts. We may sometimes feel lazy to type the way it requires, but it has a predefined meanings for all these kinds of words, right? So in case this is okay, it should be in the capital. Cancel, it's a single word where C is capital. Help, you can make H capital. So this is a mixed case, right? That's what they're saying. Go for the mixed case letters. Display labels in the regular system font or same size font. So font also it matters. If you have this, you can have, as per your button size, you have to decide the font size. Do not number the label. This is very important. You should not say one dot OK. 2 dot cancel, 3 dot label. That practice should not be there where you are numbering the buttons, the labels of the buttons. It's not a good practice. Center the label with the bottom borders, leaving at least 2 pixels between the text and the button border. Text and the button border. So always make it center aligned. It should be center aligned from the left and right. It should be center aligned from the top and bottom also. And provide consistency in button labeling across all the screens. In all the screens, you have to see that what standard you are using or what style you are using for labeling, for size of the button, for location of the buttons, or for overall view of the button. Use same consistency in throughout the screens, throughout the application. So these are the command buttons. You can see in the right hand side some which is improper and which is proper buttons, that also they have given. So you can see that the first one here, a much too large color palette button. So just to, they have done color palette just to make the remaining 3 buttons should come into a same size. So they have just increased the color palette button. But here a properly sized color palette buttons. You can see this all almost properly sized. It's not like here too much size is given, and within that size all these 3 buttons are managed. So generally instead of this is always better. Okay, so with respect to the locations and layouts, just many points are there, which is common points which generally will be seeing. Maintain the consistency in button location between the windows, right? If you are like this, if you can see over here in between OK and cancel, there is space, which is uniform space in between cancel and help also, right? Between these 2 buttons, they have kept the uniform space between OK and cancel and help, right? So that uniformity should be maintained whenever you are putting the buttons in the layout. Never simply fit the buttons in the available space. This is true. It should look wise also, it should good, right? If the buttons are for exiting the dialog, where it should generally exit buttons, where it should be, position them centered and aligned horizontally at the bottom, right? Generally these are the critical buttons, or we can say sometimes it by mistake also it should not get pressed, and it should not initiate the action. So it should not be generally very near to the first to the any menu bar like that, right? It should not be of come into frequently accessible kinds of buttons. So if the buttons are used for invoking a dialog feature or for expanding the dialog, position them vertical, position them centered and align vertically on the right side. So all these different things they have given, you can just go through this. Not necessarily you need to write everything for this, but with respect to this command buttons, just mention the general guidelines, what is the use, description, use, advantages, disadvantages, some of the examples. You cannot draw so much, but yes, some of the examples you can just mention it. Labels are important, and then location and layout. So we'll stop here now with respect to command button.